Best way to change a tire is exercise. Halfway up on this mountain, I think the best way to change a tire is called AAA. This is killing me. I'm too fat and old for this. I'm hiking part of the Pinhoti trail. Hadn't gone very far. I've hiked this section hundreds of times. Usually my crayon-eating Marine Corps buddy goes with me, so I don't have any trouble getting up down this hill, hardly even break a sweat, because I'm making fun of him. He ain't here today, so the only person I can make fun of is myself. Stay in shape. Stay in good shape. It's raining on the trail. There's nowhere else I would rather be. If it ain't raining, we ain't training. Let it rain. Let it rain, let it rain. Recently read an article where it said how men let their fire go out, or why they let it go out. Well, I believe that's true. Too many times we let our fires go out. We neglect things that we need, relationships, paying that light bill, just getting out and enjoying yourself, enjoying life. We worry about bills, we worry about kids, family, car payments. You gotta make time for yourself. Too many times have I looked back on my life and thought, I should have done this, I should have done that. I remember a drill sergeant told me one time, don't regret anything you ever do in your life, because you'll regret your life away. And now I understand that. Don't regret anything you ever do. Look at it as a fail, F-A-I-L, first attempts in learning. That's how we learn. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. God knows I make plenty. Had a deacon of a church told me one time that the good Lord walks with me, and I pissed him off pretty bad because I said, no sir, the good Lord don't walk with me, because he carries me everywhere he goes. Now, that's truer than I really wanted to admit, but it is. Don't let your fires go out. Get on the trail. Get out there, get you some exercise, do that extra set, that extra rep. Get uncomfortable, get in the mud. Some of the best times of my life was in the mud. The snow, the ice, the wind, the rain. Just like now, I wouldn't want to be anywhere else but right here. Because when it's my time, 157 years from now, I'm not going to be in my bed saying, man, I wish that I would spend more time in the woods. I'm going to be saying, man, I spent a lot of time in the woods. Make your memories. Rant over. God, I love this stuff. Okay guys, my time on the trail has come to an end. I'm almost at the road. Get out in this type of weather, embrace the suck, and prepare yourself for the Sasquatch apocalypse, because when it gets here, you don't want to be unprepared, and this is getting yourself prepared. See you on the trail.